morning, guys. It's my first day vlogging since Vlogmas ended. It's January 6th. It still doesn't feel like it's a new year, you know? Because it doesn't feel like a fresh start. It just feels like we're dealing with the same stuff. I was gonna say another word. Not stuff. You guys know what I mean. That's the way it feels. Okay, it does not feel great. It doesn't feel like, ooh, bright new possibilities. No, it does not feel that way. Anyways, how are you guys doing? I just got home. I dropped Ernie off at work today. Well, not at work, but you know, to where he takes the public transportations to get him to work. I dropped him off there, and then I went to the post office, dropped off some stuff there, and then I went to the grocery store. The whole reason I went was to get whole milk because I want to make some rice pudding, and some gochujang because I want to make this Korean sticky chicken stuff. I couldn't find the gochujang. There's usually a section, and I know exactly where it is. There wasn't none there, and the last thing I wanted to do was go to multiple stores. So guess who's not making that dish the way it's intended to be made? Me. Hello, vlog. So I was trying to do like a beginner makeup, and you know, sometimes when I try to do these, I try to simplify it so much that I'm just like doing things not well. So that's what happened. I just realized I didn't contour my nose. I was like, what's wrong with my face? I was looking at stuff online, and the news about the Proud Boys, white supremacist group in America, protesting. They're rioting. Can't stand these people. Take the loss. You guys lost. Let it go. The only thing they have in their lives is worshiping a giant Cheeto looking man. And for what? And now they're out there doing exactly what they were saying people shouldn't be doing because Blue Lives Matter. Fighting the cops, storming the freaking Capitol. And do the cops have riot gear? No. I'm sorry. This is just ridiculous. Also, look, you look like a little button nose. The tone shifted real quick in it. Hi guys, it's the next day. Wow, that just made all the shadows worse. I'm always shocked every time I film in my bathroom. Anyway, I'm gonna fix up my hair because as you can see, like the color looks okay at first, but when you compare it to how it looked before it faded, there's a very big difference. So I'm going back to the same color, Sea Witch from Lime Crime. I recently found out that Arctic Fox's owner, Kristen Leanne, at least like that's how I think you say her name, she is not very nice. Not very nice at all. I don't know if she's like issued apologies or not, but she said some homophobic things and has not been very nice to her employees. So, okay, it's like you can't shop anywhere, man, because there's always a problem with somebody. Got dye on my hands already. It's the next day after the, some people still want to call it a protest, I call it a riot. The treason at the Capitol. Feels like I'm talking about Hunger Games. Except in Hunger Games, I would have been cheering for the people breaking into the Capitol. Not in this case. Not at all. It's just, I'm glad I didn't keep on filming about it yesterday because I was so angry. The police that were taking selfies with the people, I'm disgusted, really. And for Trump to go on TV and be like, I love you guys, but you have to go home. What a... Meanwhile, for the BLM protests, they had security everywhere. It was overkill and it was insane. And yet for this, that Trump has apparently been inciting for months, I don't follow the man on Twitter, so I don't know. But that's what I hear. And if that's true, why did they not take any kind of action? Especially knowing what yesterday was. Now to turn on some music, or Jane the Virgin. I was in the middle of watching The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, but then I remembered that I didn't finish watching Jane the Virgin. But I feel like I can't move on to another show if I don't finish one. You know what I mean? And I did start it, but I felt like I was doing something wrong. So I had to go back and finish Jane the Virgin, and then I can go on to watching Sabrina. Isn't that silly? Alright, so next morning, my hair's all done. It's so dark now. The color's so rich. Also, I just checked my comments and some dude left a comment under one of my hair dyeing videos saying that I'm praying for you, praying that Jesus will save you. And I'm like, sir? Anyway, I ordered a couple books. I saw this on TikTok. I didn't know that they made the book. They actually made the book. I'm so excited. I can't wait to read it. Oh, I thought this was a sticker. It's not a sticker. It's actually printed on here, the little as seen on Jane the Virgin. Anyway, I'm excited to read it. I don't read romance. It's not really my thing. The closest to romance that I've ever read is Twilight. Also, did you know that apparently, this is something I heard, I don't know if it's 100% a fact, but 50 Shades of Grey was kind of like created off of fan fiction that was based on Twilight? What? I don't know. Also, I got Chris Perez's book. I don't know why I never knew that he made a book. Can't wait to read this. But first I have to finish Midnight Sun. I'm only on like page 310, I think. So I'm just about halfway through the book. And if I just make myself read like 20 pages a day, I can get through it fairly quickly. So I'm gonna put a face on. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna like do a no makeup look. Also, I made cookies this morning. I made chocolate chip cookies. And they are so good. So freaking delicious. Here's what they look like. Look at it. Tell me this doesn't look good. Don't mind my nail, I haven't painted it. But how pretty, how good do these cookies look? They're freaking delicious. This recipe is definitely worth trying. So I will link the recipe in the description box. If it's not there, remind me because I forget things. Hi guys, I realized that I forgot to vlog before I went out today. And it has been many hours since I was last on camera. I'm sleepy. But I was able to get a couple more Christmas gifts that were meant for me. Let's show you guys. First, this was not a Christmas gift at all. This was just a random shirt that Ernie came across at Target. He went to Target to get something and he didn't tell me what it was, but he did find this shirt. Look at it. It's a Sailor Moon shirt, and Sailor Moon started airing in 1992. I don't know if that's just for the version that aired in America or the anime in general, but 1992, and that is my birth year. Oh, and just started watching season 2 of The Umbrella Academy. Season 1, just, it was so good. And Ernie and I called who the person was that lost the eye in the beginning, but we got to the answer wrong. Like, our theory was wrong, but the person was right. You know, it's like doing all your work wrong on a math test, but somehow coming up with the right answer at the end. That's what we did. And the first opening scene of episode 1 of season 2 blew me away. Like, I just want to go back and watch that fight scene all over again in slow motion because it was just that beautiful. I was talking to one of my sisters and I was like, oh yeah, we're watching Umbrella Academy. And she goes, oh. And I said, I like it. What do you mean, oh? And she goes, no, as long as you like it. It's good when it's good. I'm like, what do you mean? But anyway, these bowls, they're so pretty. They're from a brand called Signature Housewares Incorporated. Look at them. Look at these 10 bowls. It's so pretty. Like, all of these patterns are just stunning. Stunning. I'm so happy. These are so pretty. And then this is something that I was going to get for myself and I held off and I was like, you know what? I don't need it. But here it is. Here it is. Here it is. She knows me. Totally knows me. So, Sailor Moon gigantic mug that comes with the little spoon. It's so cute. And each side has a different image. So one side has Sailor Moon and the other one has the crescent moon. They have another mug, but it's the design of her blanket, much like my, pop socket. I got this off of Etsy. If you guys are interested, I will put the Etsy link in my description box. It's so cute and it's made so well. Like, it's thick. Like, this is like a thick resin top. I think you guys can kind of see like the little bubble. It took a month to get here though from Mexico. It was definitely overpriced. I ended up paying $20 just for this. But I can't find this design anywhere else with this quality, and it has just the perfect amount of glitter, and like I feel like it goes together so well. That's the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I know it's the first one of the year. Happy New Year. I hope you guys are doing good. For those of us living in the US, and we watched the invasion of the Capitol by the racist, fascist groups. How are you guys doing? I mean, it's the fact that we have a president that riles up people to do this kind of stuff is so disappointing. Am I surprised? No. After these past 4 years, it does not surprise me. Him winning office showed me and a lot of people that it's gonna be really hard to have faith in what's going on in our country, and it's disappointing. It's not surprising anymore, but it is disappointing. I'm really glad that he's not going to be president anymore soon, but that doesn't mean that once he finds a way to get back on social media that he won't continue to rile up all these people that believe in him, because I don't think that we're here believing in our president. It's them saying we love this man and he is the best person we've ever seen and he's like our god. Like, it feels very culty. It's heartbreaking to know that there are still people that think the way he does and feel the way he does. Also, I really irritated my eye. I had like a piece of hair just sticking in it while I was driving and I couldn't pull it out. But yeah. Anyway, that's the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. I'm trying to post every Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. I figure Saturday mornings are a good day to like chill and watch a YouTube video. Sundays are great for vlogs. And then Mondays suck. So nice to have a video on Mondays too. So I hope that works for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Be nice to each other. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.